Good morning, my dear students. Today, I want to tell you something about hard work, discipline, determination, and dedication. In my opinion, my dear students, there is a substitute for intelligence, but there is no substitute for hard work. In short, I want to tell you that hard work is the substitute for intelligence. You need not be always very intelligent, but if you are hardworking, if you are disciplined, if you are dedicated to your service, and if you are determined to attain a target, success will come your way, may what come. Presently, you all are in the middle of the unit test, and we regularly keep facing exams in our lives. And for that, we do preparations. Some prepare right from the beginning, and some prepare maybe midway down, and some of our friends may prepare towards the end. But all of them have got a common goal of getting success. Today I want to tell you something about what happened in the life of our father and founder, Saint John Bosco, when he was a boy of about 15 to 16 years in school. Mind you, John Bosco went to school at an age of 12 years due to his conditions those days. When Don Bosco once was preparing for his exams, he prepared his papers, his subjects so very well, learned them, wrote them, checked them time and again, that he almost dreamt the question paper the night before the exam. He got up in the middle of the night, wrote down the questions that he remembered in his dream that he has seen, and then wrote the answers and prepared himself really perfectly well. Then he went to the exam, he wrote his answers, and when his papers were checked, the teachers thought at one stage that he almost knew the question paper. Little Johnny was called and asked about it, if he knew the question paper before writing the exam. Don Bosco admitted, and he said, "Yes, I almost dreamt the whole question paper the night before and wrote down the answers before coming to the exam, so I was well prepared." To prove it, he showed them the written answers on the sheet of papers. Well, my dear students, this story tells us how intuition works in our life if we are dedicated, if we are determined, hardworking, and disciplined. My dear students, I wish for all of you all the best for your exams and the exams that will come in your life henceforth. Wishing you all the best, work hard, and come out with flying colors. Have a nice day. Thank you.